Hey everyone, welcome back to Workhouse Signs. Today we're diving into one of my favorite projects. Printing on clear acrylic using second surface white ink on the HP Latex R2000, then finishing it off on the Kongsberg router table. If you've ever seen those glossy, glass-like signs in offices or retail displays and wondered how they're made, this is exactly how. We're going to walk through the entire process, step by step, from file setup to printing to router cutting, so you can see how it all comes together. So first, what is second surface printing? It means you're printing on the back side of the acrylic sheet, not the front. The ink goes behind the clear material, so when you flip it around, you see the image through the acrylic face. That's how you get that glossy, high-end look, and the print itself is protected behind the material. It's perfect for indoor signage, lobby panels, illuminated displays, and high-end decor. Now, white ink is the secret ingredient here. Without it, your colors would look transparent and washed out. White ink gives you the base layer that makes everything pop, especially when printing on clear substrates. Let's jump into setup. In your RIP software, we use HP's FlexiPrint or Onyx. You'll want to set up your layers correctly. Your print file should have two layers: the CMYK artwork layer, which is your actual design, and a white ink layer, which tells the printer where to lay down white. For second surface printing, you'll mirror your image horizontally. That way, when viewed from the front, everything reads correctly. Set your white ink to print last, not first, since we're printing in reverse. That means the color goes down first, then the white ink on top, which becomes the backing. Alright, let's move over to the printer. We're running the HP Latex R2000, a flatbed hybrid printer that handles rigid media like acrylic, ACM, and coroplast. We're using 1/4 inch clear cast acrylic, pre-cut to size. Before loading, always clean both sides. Fingerprints, dust, and static can ruin your print. Now for second surface, we're printing face down. That means the back side of the acrylic faces up on the bed. Make sure your vacuum zones are on and your head height is correct. Static is the enemy here. I always hit it with an anti-static gun before running the job. We're running this at 10 pass, 100% white density, using a profile optimized for rigid, transparent media. Latex ink cures instantly, so there's no off-gassing time. It's ready to handle right off the printer. Here you can see the printer laying down the CMYK layers first. Everything looks backward because it's mirrored. Then the white ink layer prints on top. Once it's done, we'll flip the acrylic over, and you'll see the image shining through crystal clear and perfectly vibrant. Check that out. The front surface is completely smooth and glossy. No ink texture, no banding, no dust specks. This is what makes second surface printing feel so premium. Next up, cutting. We're taking this piece over to the Kongsberg X24 router table to trim it to final size and add clean polished edges. We load the print face up so we can see the registration marks. The Kongsberg's camera automatically locates the marks and adjusts the cut path for perfect alignment. We're using an acrylic bit with a single flute at about 18,000 RPM and 2.5 inches per second. That gives us a clean, burr-free edge, no polishing required. If you're running thicker acrylic or want that glass-like shine, you can flame polish after cutting. But for signage, a clean router edge is usually perfect. This setup's accurate within a fraction of a millimeter. That means your prints line up perfectly with the cut every time. Once cut, I always peel the protective film and give it a final wipe down. For mounting, you can use standoffs, double-sided VHB tape, or edge mounts depending on your installation style. Acrylic panels like these work great for corporate logos and lobby signs, product displays, art prints, museum placards, and backlit signage. Second surface keeps your graphics protected, no scratches, no UV fade, and it looks professional from every angle. So to recap, mirror your artwork for second surface printing. Print color first, white ink last. Keep your acrylic spotless. Let the HP R2000 handle the color and curing. And finish on the Kongsberg for perfect precision. That's how we print durable, high-end acrylic signage every single day here at Workhouse Signs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more sign shop content. We've got videos coming up on printing ACM panels, magnets, coroplast, and even full A-frame runs. Drop your questions below. I'll answer as many as I can. And as always, keep creating, keep printing, and keep those signs sharp.